Hi, my name's Steve Hanford, and today I'm going to show you how I covered up my distribution boxes. Check it out. Let's get to it. There's two areas in the yard I was trying to figure out what they were for, and what they had done is they just piled up rocks over these areas. So I just was curious, and I took the rocks off, and I see a bunch of pipes here. So I kind of did some poking around. I had a feeling it was for the septic field, and that's exactly what it's for. So there was two spots that just had a bunch of piles of rocks, and I found out through a lot of research that these are called distribution boxes. That pipe there, the smaller one, is coming from my septic, and all these other pipes here are going into the leach bed. So, and right here, this pipe here is like a transfer over. So this is a deeper area, and what it does is it's meant to catch solids, in case of solids would come out, and then the liquids would transfer over into all the other pipes. What I'm going to do is dig back on these pipes. Okay, so I was digging down here and I hit bottom, and so I know there's a base, and I know there used to be concrete around these pipes. It's just from digging I can feel the concrete crumbling, and so I'm going to use these boxes here, and if you hear some huffing and puffing, it's Nash. He's helping me out today. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just using, there's special saws, like PVC saws work best on these boxes, but I don't have one of those, so I'm just going to use my back saw here. So let's try this out and see if it works. I just put little slices where I need to cut. So I'm just going to cut and see what happens here. That's one thing that's good with PVC saws, is they don't have this little stopper here, so you could get down a lot deeper. But I don't know if that's going to be an issue, because I think we're going to have enough space here. Just so you can see what happened. So I basically just cut those around those pipes, and I'm going to clean out around the pipes now, so I can get that box nice and level and down, and just sink it just below ground level. So it looks like I'm hitting that concrete wall, but I think that's going to be okay. I might have to cut out a little more just to get this box level. That there looks decent. I might just have to build this area up with a little bit of dirt. Just gotta fill it in. don't have any dirt in your pipes. I have a lot of it, so I gotta really clean that out good before we close this up. Okay, we're gonna dry fit this one. It's about what we want right there. So I got these in here. They're pretty level. Basically, they're just sitting on top of these pipes. So I thought about it, and I think I'm just going to fill these holes in. I'm going to clean out these pipes just a little bit, not really like clean them out, but just get rid of the dirt that's inside of them. Alright, so I got all my holes covered up here as good as I'm gonna get them. And so now I'm just gonna throw in the dirt around it. Should be good. Probably gonna come back through and get some kind of rubber tape or plumber's putty or something to come around these boxes, just so I don't get any unwanted smells. What's nice about these kind of boxes is you're able to put a bolt in them to lock them down, so nobody's gonna get inside these boxes that aren't supposed to be inside this box. And you got yourself a nice spot there. I like that they're green because they can blend in. The boxes here are specialized for sewer septic fields. As you can see, they got a hard bottom. These are mainly for new construction. So I was just going to try to make these work, and as I dug these holes up, you already saw that these probably wouldn't work. And the only reason why I didn't keep digging and put these in is because I felt under there that there was still a base, and so my water, when it goes in, it's going to catch in that base, and it's not going to leach down into the ground there. It's going to go all the way out through my septic leach bed, or whatever that's called. I'm pretty sure it's leach bed. Okay, we got the boxes complete, and now I'm just going to finish it off with some topsoil. I'm going to spread it around and make it look great. Thanks for watching.